Hi, hope you are all doing well. My name is Harpreet and today I will be explaining the concept of final keyword in Java. So, what is final keyword? Final keyword can be applied, or in simple words, final keyword in Java is used to restrict the user. So, the Java final keyword can be used in many contexts. Final keyword can be variable or method or class, and we can apply it with the variables. A final variable that have no value, it is called blank final variable or uninitialized final variable. It can be initialized in the constructors only. The blank final variable can be static also, which will be initialized in the static block only. We will have detailed learning of these. Let's first learn the basics of final keyword. So, Java final keyword. If you make any variable as final, then you cannot change the value of that variable. But it can't change because final variable once assigned a value can never be changed. So let's see the example related to this. Like, I'm creating class with the name of car, in which I will create one method, say speed limit equals to 80, and then going to create one method with the name of run, replying here speed limit 300. After that, creating one main method, in which I am creating the object of car class, and calling the method run. So let's first save the program with the name of car.java. So let's see what will be the output of this program. Java C car.java, first compile it. So successfully compiled Java car. So actually we doesn't write any system out or print, but it's successfully compiled and run. But so here we are creating a variable that is a general variable. If I applied here final keyword, so let's see what will be the output now. So it's giving me the error that you cannot assign a value to final variable speed limit. Like, we cannot change the variable speed limit because we had created it final, that we cannot change the value of variable. Once we define the value, we fix the value. So this is an example of final variable. If we applied here final method, then let's see what's the difference. Like, we are having this void run and it's giving me the output system.out.println. So here I have created one class with the name of car. Now I'm going to create one more class, say Maruti. So in this class, what will I do? I'm going to extend the superclass, say class car, and override the method void run that will going to give me the output running with the speed of 100 km/h. So after this, I had created the main method in which I'm going to create now the object of Maruti Suzuki class instead of car class. Similarly, I have created the calling this method run. Now we have just simply created two classes, one is class and one Maruti Suzuki, and this extends inheriting the super class and overriding the method run. One is printing running and second one is printing this statement, and created the object of Maruti Suzuki and call the run method. Now let's see what will be the output. Java C class car.java. Then we have our main method class, that is Maruti Suzuki. Okay, so it's giving me the output running with the speed of 100 km. Okay, but what if case I would create one of the method as final, like void run. I created this method as final, save it and run the same example. Now it's giving me the error that run in Maruti Suzuki cannot override run in car. So overridden method is final. So when we create any method as final using final keyword, we cannot override that method of the same name. So this example of final method. So guys, I have many other videos uploaded which explain Java concept in best way. You can find that videos on our channel, so please subscribe and don't miss even a single tutorial. So by moving further, we have now a Java final class. In this, if you make any class as final, you cannot extend that class. Like we can talk with this same example. If I'm create here this class as final using final keyword, and save it, I'm going to run this example. Okay, so it's giving me the error like you cannot inherit from final car. Because I have created this super class as final, this means we cannot inherit this class anymore. If I remove this, then my program is successfully running. So using final class means you cannot extend the class. So this is all about final keyword in Java. Maybe from this video you get the knowledge about the final concept and understood about this concept. And let me know if you have any follow-up question in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Hit that little bell icon so that you are always notified whenever I upload another new video. Happy coding. Thank you.